Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Guys, can you believe that we are at half the year already? Oh my gosh. I was looking at the calendar. I'm like, oh my goodness, we're already at half the year is gone. Anyway, I received my design team package for this month, and I wanted to show you guys what I received. So first off on the list, I just took this out of the box, and I haven't even unwrapped it. I was looking at one of the other items that I received that I was very excited about. So the first thing I received was the art glitter glue, and I was running out of glue, so I needed to replenish my glue bottle. So this is the first thing that I received. And then I got some more of that Cora synthetic leather. I got more of the pink because you guys know I work with a lot of pink, but I also ordered this Safari. The color is Safari, and this one, it doesn't, I don't know if it has texture or it just looks that way. Let me see. It has a little bit of texture on here. It's not, real deep, but it's very pretty. And I can see why they call it Safari. It is really, really pretty. And it's just like the pink one that I used in the Stamperia Passion project. So I'm really excited. I really, really do like these synthetic leathers. So the pink one is number 25043, and there's the pink one. And then the Safari is 25049. And I am looking forward to doing something with this. I had something in mind, and then I went ahead with the project without this, so I'm gonna have to think of something else to do with this one. And of course I got my pen. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that color. And Crystal on her, she did a live, and it's still ongoing, she hasn't finished it, using this shadow box. It is a graphic 45 window shoulder box. And I believe there is a like a journal pad that can fit in here, and she also has that in her website or in her shop, and that is number 8271. And she used rice paper on hers, and I have rice paper. I don't know if I have enough, but I kind of want to try the same, but you know me and rice paper. Rice paper, as thin as it is, it scares the bejeebers out of me because I hate to waste things, and I've never used it. But I don't know, maybe I'll use it on this project or just do something entirely different. But anyway, so I got this box, window shoulder box. It's 9 1/4 by 5 1/4 by 2 1/4 inch. So it's a very pretty box, guys. You know I like boxes. And then I did order a paper pad, and this one is of course 4th of July. And this one is Cartabella 36092. And let me show you it comes with a sticker pack, or with a sticker sheet. And let me show you really quick the paper pad, because it's really pretty. So this is the front. So this is just the sheet. This one, they don't put anything on the back of their front sheet. And here's the first one, and it is called God Bless America. Yes, God Bless America. I guess the designer might be Stephen Duncan. Very, very pretty. And here is one with the fireworks, and they are double-sided. Oh, this is so pretty with the stars. Here's the cut aparts. Look at that. How pretty is that? I like that. You know what, guys? It kind of looks like, it actually looks like the center of our town. That's pretty. Okay, and then the back of this. Oh, how pretty. I like that. And then the music sheet. The Star Spangled Banner. Wouldn't this look pretty on its own? Just, you know, framed on its own. That's so pretty. I'm gonna think about turning this one, here's the back, this one into a wall hanging. Oh, I like that. And then here's one with fireworks. Oh, that one's so pretty. And there's another cut aparts. Oh, this is gorgeous. This one and this one, they're all pretty. I can't say which one's prettier, but they're all pretty. Very, very pretty. And then there's the back. And this one, you can probably pick it up. It has, it's blue and it's got black writing on there. It's got a whole bunch of little phrases on there. Very pretty. And then this is a flower page, red, white, and blue flowers. And then the back. Oh, and this one's pretty. Flags. And then this one's like the blue one, except it's not as dark, so you can see more of what's on the back. Very pretty. And I love this one. Oh my goodness, that one's so pretty. Guys, you know, a lot of times the pages, yes, they're pretty on, you know, in the, on the computer, but once I get them in, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're really pretty. Oh, that's cute. 4th of July. And here's one with all these rosettes on it, on a wall. Pretty. Oh, this one's so pretty. Oh, look at the old trucks here, the old fire trucks. Love that. And then the sticker page. Very, very nice. Love it. I like the borders here at the bottom as well. Very pretty paper pack. And then I ordered the ephemera pack to go along with that. And let me show you what that looks like. Ephemera pack is 36094, and it's got quite 33 pieces, and of course they coordinate with the paper. And I forgot to tell you, the paper, the number for the paper pad is 36092. So it's got all these ephemera pieces on here, and there's a lot of them. And of course, you know, there are a lot of pieces here. I like that one very much, and this flag. So definitely have to use those. Some tags. That would be nice to put, you know, put the holes in there and put this on a straw. That would be really cute. You know, any of these longer ones, put the hole in there and put those on the straw. That would be cute. Love the ephemera pack. Okay, so there are these two. And then I had ordered a couple of more acetate. And remember, I tell you this acetate is very, very strong. So I had a project in mind, and again, I went ahead without the project. You know, sometimes I just feel like crafting what's in my head, whether I've seen it or not. And this was something that I had never seen, and I didn't know if it was going to work. And I made it. I'm going to share it with you guys, but I made it without this acetate. I just used the acetate that I had in my stash, which is thinner. It seemed to work out very well anyway. So this acetate is 25041. I'm going to make another one, and I am going to use this acetate for the next project. And then I ordered the Mente homemade paper pad, and this is really pretty as well. This one also has that bonus sheet on the back, and they normally do. So let me flip through that one for you. And the number for that one is 27056. Let me show you this paper pad. So pretty. I like all the really soft muted colors. You know, it has the colors that I normally work with, but they're a lot softer than what I usually use. This is pretty. Very pretty. This is the cut apart page. This is so pretty. And then here's the first page. And again, this is called Homemade. Here's the back of that. Looks like a, you know, doily curtain or something. Here's that great big hoop, embroidery hoop. Very pretty. There's the back. How pretty is that? I just love this. And here's a page with all hoops on it. Oh, but look at the back. That's so pretty. And their flower page. Has some gorgeous doors on the back. They're cut aparts. And then there's the back of that. And then I believe that's where it repeats. Yes, it starts repeating right here. But yeah, there is that. And that is so pretty. Just love those. Again, that was Homemade by Mente. Very pretty. And then the last thing that is in my package is the Vagabond die cuts, and these are really thick die cuts. I've already opened it because the project that I'm working on is Vagabond, and I can't wait to show you. But I needed these chipboard pieces to finish it off. So there are a lot of pieces in here, guys. How many pieces are there? 60 pieces. 60 pieces in here. There's Sir Vagabond himself, and there's another one, another Sir Vagabond in here where here he is. And I'm definitely going to use this one. I can't wait to put him where he's gonna go because he looks fantastic. And then of course, you know, you have all these other pieces, the heart, the wings. Yeah, so it comes with a lot of different chipboard pieces. The compass. And I used in that other project almost all the cut aparts. Almost, not maybe, you know, 3/4 of the cut aparts. But I wanted some of these for, you know, the rest of the project. So that is my order. And then she included 2 freebies. Coordinations is what this is called. And it's by Doris. And when she has extra, you know, scrapbook paper that she knows she's not going to use for anything, she'll include it in our orders. And I've got 2 of these. These are so pretty. These could have gone perfectly with my project that I was working on, but that's okay. I'll use them on another one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will stop and check out Crystal's shop. She has, oh my gosh, so much right now. Well, she always does, but there is so much to choose from. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.